Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today our Maths Olympiad question, which is 243 to the power x squared, that is equal to x to the power 45. So here we have to find the value of x. Now in this problem we are actually three methods to solve this problem. So first of all, solving this problem by method number 1. So here our first method is that method 1 is, here we have 243 to the power x squared is equal to x to the power 45. Now this 243 is actually written as that 3 to the power 5. So we just write 243 is 3 to the power 5 whole to the power x squared. Now x is equal to, this 45 can be written as 9 times 5. Here, according to this exponential property, if we have a to the power m whole to the power n, that is equal to a to the power m times n. So now our left hand side is equal to that 3 to the power, that is 5 times x squared, that is equal to x to the power 9 times 5. Now here if we just multiply 1 over 5 as in power on both hand side, so we have 3 to the power 5 x squared and times 1 over 5. Similarly, x to the power 9 times 5 times 1 over 5. So we have just multiplied 1 over 5 that in powers on both hand side. Then we get, here this 5 can be cancelled with 5. So we have 3 to the power x squared is equal to x to the power 9. Here if we just multiply 1 over x squared as in power on both hand side, so 1 over x squared on our left hand side and x to the power 9 times 1 over x squared on our right hand side. So here we get x squared is cancelled out with x, so we have 3 is equal to x to the power 9 over x squared. Now here 3 is equal to x to the power 9 over x squared. So if we just multiply 1 over 9 as in power on both hand side, here on our left hand side it is 3 to the power 1 over 9. So right hand side x to the power 9 over x squared times 1 over 9. Now this 9 can be cancelled with 9, so we have 3 to the power 1 over 9. 3 to the power 1 over 9 is equal to x to the power 1 over x squared. So 3 to the power 1 over 9 is actually 1 over 3 squared, 9 is 3 squared, and x to the power 1 over x squared. Here we see that according to this exponential property, if we have a to the power 1 over a or 1 over a squared and is equal to b to the power 1 over b squared, then it will be equal to that a is equal to b, a is equal to b. Here we see that this x is equal to 3 or 3 equal to x, so x is equal to 3. It is our answer, that x is equal to 3. It is our value of x. So we have find the value of x by method number 1. Now solving our method number 2. So according to method 2, 243 to the power x squared is equal to x to the power 45. So if we take fifth root on both hand side, then we have here fifth root of 243 to the power x squared is equal to fifth root of x to the power 45. And as we know that by exponential property, if we have nth root of a to the power m, it is equal to nth root of a whole to the power m. We have just shifted this power that here over all that exponent here. So this will be written as 243 fifth power of 243 whole to the power, here this x squared is shifted here, so whole to the power x squared. Similarly, fifth root of x whole to the power 45. Now our next step is there's this 243 is actually 3 to the power 5, and fifth root of 3 to the power 5 whole to the power x squared is equal to fifth root of this x whole to the power 45 can be written as 9 times 5. So if we just cancel this 5 with this root and similarly this 5 with this root, then we have 3 to the power x squared is equal to, here we have x to the power, that is 9, x to the power 9. Now this, if we just write x to our left hand side, that is x to the power 9 is equal to, here 3 to the power x squared, here we have x to the power, this 9 can be written as 3 squared, that is equal to 3 to the power x squared. So according to exponential laws, that if we just compare bases and powers, so we get here, we, that is base is equal to x is equal to 3 and powers here x squared is equal to 3 squared. So here we have x is equal to 3, it is our value of x, and in this case x squared, if we just take square root on both hand side, so we get cancelling square with square root, we have x is cancelling square with square root, so x is equal to 3. So it is our answer that the value of x is equal to 3 from method number 2. Now solving the same problem by method number 3. So according to method number 3, our problem is 243 to the power x squared is equal to x to the power 45. Now first of all, if we just take natural log on both hand side, so natural log 243 to the power x squared is equal to natural log of x to the power 45. Now using here law of logarithm, that is if we have natural log of a to the power m is equal to m natural log of a, so here we get x squared times natural log of 243 is equal to 45 times natural log of x. Now if we divide both hand side by 45 x squared, so dividing by 45 times x squared on our left hand side and similarly 45 times x squared on our right hand side. Now here this x squared is cancelled out with x squared and 45 with 45, so we get natural log of 243 divided by 45, that is equal to natural log of x divided by x squared. Now here this 243 is actually equal to natural log of 3 to the power 5, and here this 45 can be written as that 9 times 5, that is equal to natural log of x over natural log of x over x squared. Here that if we just use here Power's law of logarithm, then we get shifted this 5 here, so 5 natural log of 3 all over 9 times 5 is equal to natural log of x over x squared. Here cancelling 5 with 5, we get natural log of 3 over 9, natural log of 3 over 9 is equal to natural log of x over x squared. Now it can also be written as that 1 over 9 times natural log of 3 is equal to 1 over x squared times natural log of x. So here, as we know that if we have e to the power natural log of a, then it is equal to a. Similarly, this 1 over 9 here, this 9 can be written as 1 over e to the power natural log of 9. So natural e to the power natural log of 9 is equal to 9 times natural log of 3. Similarly, we are going to use the same technique here. So 1 over e to the power natural log of x squared times natural log of x. Now here, as we know that by exponential property, if we have 1 over a to the power n, it is equal to a to the power minus n. So here e to the power minus natural log of 9 times natural log of 3 is equal to e to the power minus natural log of x squared times natural log of x. Now our next step is here that e to the power minus natural log of this 9 is written as 3 squared times natural log of 3 is equal to e to the power, here shifting this 2 here, then we get minus 2 natural log of x times natural log of x. Here if we write natural log of 3 times, here we just use logarithm power law, then we have e to the power minus 2 natural log of 3 is equal to writing natural log of x times e to the power minus 2 natural log of x. Now if we multiply minus 2 on both hand side, so minus 2 times natural log of 3 times e to the power minus 2 natural log of 3 is equal to, here we have minus 2 natural log of x times e to the power minus 2 natural log of x. We have just multiplied both hand side by minus 2. Here we have, if we use according to Lambert W function, so according to Lambert's W function, then we have, as we know that according to this function, that Lambert W function times a times e to the power a, it is equal to a. So here applying Lambert W function on both hand side, that minus 2 natural log of 3 times e to the power minus 2 natural log of 3, that is equal to Lambert W function times minus 2 natural log of x times e to the power minus 2 natural log of x. Here applying this function, then we see that this minus 2 natural log of 3 and here it is minus 2 natural log of 3, it is same, so we just write minus 2 natural log of 3 is equal to, here we have the same exponent and this coefficient, so we have minus 2 natural log of x. Here this minus 2 is cancelled out with minus 2, we get natural log of 3 is equal to natural log of x. So if we cancel out this natural log on both hand side, we have the value of x is 3. So it is our final answer that we have found out by using method number 1 and method number 2. So same result we have gotten in method number 3. So now here if we are going to verify our problem, so for verification, we know that our problem is actually it is 243, that is 243 to the power x squared is equal to x to the power 45. Here value of x is 3, so 243 then x is 3 squared, is it equal to 3 to the power 45. Now we know that 243 is equal to 3 to the power 5, then whole to the power 3 squared is 9, is it equal to 3 to the power 45. So here according to exponential law, 5 times 9 is 45 is equal to 3 to the power 45. So hence we prove that left hand side of this equation is equal to right hand side of this equation. So we have just solved this problem by 3 different methods. So in each method we have the same result, that is the value of x is 3. So it is our method number 3. We see that it is our method number 3. Now our second method is, which is very easy method, so it is our method number 2. Now our first method is this one, that the value of x is equal to 3. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.